Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope that all of you are fine. Today I'm going to solve this question. Look at the question. The creative question here given: P is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7, Q is equals to 1, 8, 9, and a function is given that f of z is equals to 2z plus 1 divided by 2z minus 1. Three informations are given. Two sets P and Q are given and a function is given. Now in question number A, prove that sets P and Q are mutually disjoint. So look at the first part. Okay, I will write by this way. Answer to question number 1. Answer to question number 1. At first we will write, then solution A. Solution A. What is the question? Prove that sets P and Q are mutually disjoint. So here given, we may write that given P is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7 and Q is equals to 1, 8, 9. Two sets are given. To prove that they are mutually disjoint, okay, here I am writing the basic things. Two sets are called disjoint if their intersection is an empty set. That means, look here, if this is a set P and this is a set Q, if P and Q never intersect, then they are called disjoint. If P and Q never intersect, then they are called disjoint. So we have to find the intersection, that is P intersection Q. P intersection Q is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7 intersection 1, 8, 9. Okay, now look, what is the common element of P and Q? There is no common element of P and Q, so that's why we can say that it's the empty set or this. Okay, so you may write the since P intersection Q is empty set, thus P and Q are mutually disjoint. P and Q are mutually disjoint. Okay, now solution B. Solution B. Determine P of Q, that is power set of Q, to show that the number of elements of power set of Q is 2 to the power n, where n is the number of elements of Q. Okay, so for this we have to find the power set of Q. Okay, here given Q is equals to 189. Q is equals to 189. So the power set of Q. We know that power set is a set which containing all the subsets of a set. So what are the subsets of 189? Subsets of 189 are 1, 8, then 9. I have written all the single elements now. 1, 8, 1, 9, then 8, 9, then 1, 8, 9, and then empty set. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this power set is a set, so that's why we have to use a second bracket at the first and last. Now look, how many subsets of powers, how many subsets of Q, or how many elements are in power set of Q? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we can write the here. Look, Q is equals to 189. Here the number of members of Q. Here the number of members of Q is equals to 3. Here the number of members of Q is equals to 3, and so the value of n is equals to 3, because in the question it is given that n is the number of elements of Q. So here the number of members of Q is equals to 3, so the value of n is equals to 3, and number of members of power set of Q. So how many members in power set of Q? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number of members of power set of Q is equals to 8. So 8 can be written as 2 cube, and the value of n is equals to 3, so we can write it as 2 to the power n. Thus we can say that the number of elements of p to the power q is 2 to the power n. So we have proved this question. Okay, now question number C, solution C. Solution C, look at the question and determine the value of f of 1 by z square plus 1 divided by f of 1 by z square minus 1. So now look, given f of z is equals to, in the question it is given that f of z is equals to 2z plus 1 by 2z minus 1, 2z plus 1 by 2z minus 1, and we have to find the value of f of 1 by z square plus 1 and f of 1 by z square minus 1. Okay, now look, if we find the value of f of 1 by z square, look, f of 1 by z square, f of z is equal to 2z plus 1 by 2z minus 1, so f of 1 by z square will be, instead of z we will write 1 by z square, so it will be 2 1 by z square minus 1 divided by 2 1 by z square, sorry, here plus 1, 2 1 by z square plus 1, 2 1 by z square minus 1. So the value is we are simplifying this, it will be 2 into 1 by z square, in multiplication numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, there is a 1 and the 2. Okay, 2 times 1 it will be 2, 1 times z square it will be z square, 2 by z square plus 1 by 2 by z square minus 1. Okay, if we simplify this, here z square and here is a 1, z square and 1, the LCM of z square and 1 is z square, then z square divided by z square, it will be 1, 1 2s are 2, then plus z square divided by 1, z square times 1, it will be z square. Okay, in the denominator, same calculation, z square, and it will be 2 minus z square, so it will be 2 plus z square by z square, then if we multiply, then the denominator will be flipped, it will be z square by 2 minus z square. Now z square will be reduced, so above 2 plus z square and here 2 minus z square. So this is the value of f of 1 by z square. Now we can find the value of, but now to find the value of f of 1 by z square plus 1 by f of 1 by z square minus 1, I am discussing a method, new method. This method is known as componendo dividendo method. Look, if I write x by y is equals to 3 by 2. If I write x by y is equals to 3 by 2, so the componendo dividendo method is, at first we have to, componendo means plus and dividendo means minus, we have to add the denominator with the numerator. As for example, at first, look how to solve this. At first we will write the numerator, then here also the numerator. then we have to add the numerator, denominator, then we have to subtract the denominator. That means at first we have to write the, in both case at first we have to write the numerator. Here at first numerator, then numerator, then here a plus sign, then minus sign, and here the denominator and here the denominator, and we have to do the calculation for the both sides. Look, in right side the numerator is 3, so at first we have to write 3 here, then plus, then minus, here 2, the denominator. So this method is known as componendo dividendo. Okay, now we are applying this method in here. F of 1 by z square is equals to f of 1 by z square is equals to 2 plus z square by 2 minus z square. Okay, therefore now we have to find the value of f of 1 by z square plus 1, f of 1 by z square minus 1. So look here, we know that there is a 1 in each under each and every fraction, each and every number. So f of 1 by z square whole divided by 1 means we can if we do the componendo dividendo here, so f of 1 by z square here and f of 1 by z square here, then plus, then minus, then 1, then here also 1. Okay, now we have to do the same thing in the right side also. Component dividend, at first we have to write the numerator, that is 2 plus z square, and here also 2 plus z square. Okay, then plus minus and plus minus, then the numerator is 2, denominator, then 2, then at first we have to write the numerator, then the denominator is 2 minus z square, 2 minus z square, and here 2 minus z square. Now the simple calculation, look here, 2 plus z square plus 2 minus z square, and here 2 plus z square. Then for minus, we know that for minus the second expression sign is changed, so it will be 2, then minus plus, it will be z square. Okay, now the calculation, look, plus z square minus z square reduced, and here plus 2 minus 2 reduced, here 2 plus 2 it will be 4, and here z square and z square it will be 2z square. Okay, if we reduced 4 by 2 it will be 2, so answer will be 2 by z square. Answer will be 2 by z square. Okay, if you solve this math, just f of 1 by z square plus 1 by f of 1 by z square minus 1, just put the value of f of 1 by z square as 2 plus z square by 2 minus z square, then plus 1, and then 2 plus z square by 2 minus z square minus 1. The answer will be same, but the calculation will be lengthy. Okay, so I hope that you understand it very well, and if you don't, if you have any problem, you may see the video again and again. Now I am going to solve the short questions. Number 1, look at the short question. Number 1, find the set of factors of 18. Find the set of factors of 18. So factors of 18, look, 18, look at the graph. 18 can be written as 1 times 18, then we have to divide 18 by 2, then 2 times 9, then we have to divide 18 by 3, it will be 3 times 6. Okay, so the factors is 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. So 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Now number 2, 18, 1 2 3 6 9 18. Now question number 2, if a is equals to x belongs to n, 14 less than x less than 16, that is the value of x is greater than 14 and the value of x is less than 16, and x is a natural number, and also another condition is given that and x is a prime number. X is a prime number. Look, is there any prime number which is greater than 14 and less than 16? Okay, greater than 14, less than 16, there is only one number, that is 15, but that is not a prime number, so there is no member in this set, so A will be empty set, or you may write empty set, because there is no number which is greater than 14 and less than 16 but a prime number. Okay, now question now number 3, find the domain of R if R is equals to 4 1 4 2 4 3, and we know that R is a relation. We know that in ordered pair the first element is known as domain. So domain of R that is also known as dom R. Dom R is the first element. First element is 4 4 4. No, we know that domain and range are sets where and in a set no member will be repeated, so it will be only 4. Now number 4, if f of x equals to x to the power 4 plus 5x minus 3, then find the value of f of 1 by 3. F of 1 by 3, look, f of x equals to, look at the calculation, f of x equals to x to the power 4 plus 5x minus 3. So f of 1 by 3, f of x equals to x to the power 4 plus 5x minus 3, so x will be replaced by 1 by 3, so it will be 1 by 3 whole power 4 plus 5 into 1 by 3 minus 3. So the calculation, 1 by 3 whole power 4, it will be 1 by 3 to the power 4 means 3 3 are 4, 4 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81, 81 plus 5 1s are 5 by 3 minus 3. Now the LCM of 81, 3 and 1 is 81. 81 divided by 81, 1 1s are 1. 81 divided by 3, 27. 27 times 5, 27 times 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 5 7s are 35, 5 5 7s are 35, 5 3 in hand, 5 to the 10 and 10 30, so it will be 135. Then minus 81 divided by 1 is 1. 81 times 3, 81 times 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, so 243. Okay, now it will be 136 minus 243 divided by 81. So if we subtract 6 from 6, 243 minus 136, it will be 7 here, 1 in hand, 1 0, so it will be 107. So minus 107 by 81, this is the answer, minus 107 by 81, minus 107 by 81. Now number 5, if m is equals to 7 8 and n is equals to 89, find the number of elements of power set of m intersection n. M intersection n, at first look, m intersection n is 7 8 intersection 8 9. 7 8 intersection 8 9, the only common element is 8. Okay, so here n, number of elements is equals to 1. So power set, so the number of subsets is 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 1 is equals to 2. So find the number of elements of p to the power n is 2, so answer will be 2. Number 6, if u is equals to 1 to 3 ab and b is equals to 4b, determine the value of b prime, and we know that b prime means u minus b, so the value of u is equals to 1 2 3 ab minus the value of b is equals to 4b. Okay, there is a mistake in the question, because we know that all the sets are subsets of u, but 4 is not a member of u. Okay, if we assume that it is 3, okay, if we assume that this is 3, so answer will be u minus b, that is u delete b, so 3 and b will be deleted, answer will be 1 2 and a. Okay, if there is any mistake in the question, generally we get the marks for the mistake question. Okay, now the number 7, if u is equals to if g of x equals to x cube plus ax square minus 3x minus 6, then for what value of a will g of minus 2 is equals to 0? So g of minus x, what is the value of g of x? G of x equals to x cube plus ax square, x cube plus, okay, g of x is equals to x cube plus ax square minus 3x minus 6, and for what value of a will g of minus 2 0? So we have to find the value of g of minus 2. So x will be replaced by minus 2, it will be minus 2 cube plus a into minus 2 square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So minus 2 whole cube will be minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so it will be minus 8, and plus minus 2 square means 4, so it will be 4a, and minus plus 6, then 6 will be reduced. So g of minus 2 is equals to minus 8 plus 4a. Now we have to for which value g of minus 2 will be 0. So now g of minus 2 is equals to minus 8 plus 4a. So minus 8 plus 4a is equals to 0 if we assume. So 4a will be 8, therefore a will be 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So answer for value of a is equals to 2, g of minus 2 will be 0. Now question number 8. Now question number 8. Write down the formula for the number of elements of proper subset. Okay, we know that total number of subsets is 2 to the power n, and there are only one improper subset, so the proper subset number will be 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, I am giving the side note. Total subsets. Look, total subsets will be 2 to the power n, and improper is only 1. That is itself. So proper will be 2 to the power n minus 1. Now number 9. What is the write down the another name of tabular method. Another method is tabular methods another name is roster method. And number 10, write down the another name of set builder method. Another name is rule method. So this is the solution of the question. Please see the video again and again if you have any problem, and if you can't solve any problem from this question, then please contact with me. No more today. See you again. Allah Hafiz.